Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, quickly insert rows and column in Excel. Okay, let's begin. First, insert rows. Select rows. Right click mouse. Add rows. Type your rows number. Example 3. Then click OK and insert column. Right click mouse. Add columns. Type column number. Example 2. Click OK. And another way to insert, select two rows, insert two rows, insert, shift down. Now see these two added rows and insert column, insert, enter column. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.